Most people think hormone replacement therapy is only for hot flashes and night sweats. But what if I told you that even with no symptoms in menopause could benefit tremendously, physically, emotionally, and even neurologically? Today, I'll break down the science behind hormone therapy for asymptomatic women in menopause, why it's not just about symptom relief, but about protection. Hi, I'm Dr. Rika, your functional medicine MD, board certified in family and integrative medicine. I'm going to be talking about the 6 protective benefits. Don't miss number 5. Let's first dispel the myth of hormones not being safe. Bioidentical hormones are safe. This is the biggest concern most women have. But multiple studies have both highlighted the safety and advantages of bioidentical hormones, which are structurally identical to the hormones our body naturally produces. In a major review study, Dr. Kent Holter found that bioidentical hormones, in the case of progesterone, it's micronized progesterone and not medroxyprogesterone. And in the case of estrogen, it is estradiol and not premarin. Bioidentical hormones were associated with fewer risks than synthetic versions, especially regarding breast cancer and cardiovascular events. Synthetic progesterones in particular are the ones tied to increased breast cancer in the Women's Health Initiative. So for women who want peace of mind, BHRT or bioidentical hormones offers a safer, more natural approach to hormone therapy and may even confer more benefits. Recently, the FDA met confirming what the studies have long ago shown. Hormones are safe. The first protective benefit is testosterone may protect against breast cancer. Now, this may sound surprising. Testosterone for women? Yes, postmenopausal testosterone therapy, when used alongside estrogen, has been shown to reduce breast cancer risk. One study involving long-term testosterone implants found a lower than average incidence of breast cancer in the treated group, actually a 47% reduction to be precise. And this was a 15-year follow-up study. The mechanism? Testosterone appears to counterbalance estrogen's proliferative effects on breast tissue. So yes, used wisely, testosterone may be a woman's secret weapon in protecting herself against cancer and will definitely increase her vitality, her libido, and prevent muscle loss. The second preventative or protective benefit, progesterone helps sleep, and sleep protects our brains. Let's talk about progesterone. It's another unsung hero. Even in asymptomatic women, natural progesterone improves deep sleep quality. Unlike synthetic versions, bioidentical progesterone promotes slow wave sleep, the most restorative kind. Why does this matter? Because poor sleep is linked to nearly every chronic disease, Alzheimer's, heart disease, even cancer. Hormone therapy isn't just about feeling rested, it's about preserving cognitive function, metabolic health, and longevity. The third protective benefit is heart health. Heart disease is the #1 killer of women. Here's the game changer. Timing matters. When hormone replacement therapy is started before 60 or within 10 years of menopause, it significantly reduces risk of coronary heart disease and overall mortality. This is called the timing hypothesis. The idea that estrogen protects arteries if introduced early before plaque builds up. But don't worry if you miss this window, as I'll soon disclose. The fourth benefit, a newer 2024 study revealed that even women over 65 can still get benefit from hormones. They studied women over the age of 65, and these women had lower mortality and cancer risk, including breast, lung, and colon cancer, and even less dementia. Not all hormones are created equal, though. The best outcomes came with low-dose, transdermal or vaginal estradiol, not oral forms, and not synthetic estrogens. It's about personalization and delivery. The fifth benefit, brain protection. Cognitive function and dementia risk is super important. Estrogen's role in brain health is well documented in studies. While starting after 65 may not help, starting earlier shows promise in preserving memory and reducing dementia risk. This fits with what we know. The brain is estrogen sensitive. Estrogen supports hippocampal function, important for memory, enhances glucose metabolism, preventing that weight gain, and reduces brain shrinkage in in key regions tied to memory. The sixth benefit is stronger bones, fewer fractures. Estrogen is the most effective therapy for preventing osteoporosis, period. Even asymptomatic women lose 20 to 30% of their bone density after menopause. Bioidentical hormone replacement therapy preserves bone mass and reduces fracture risk. It's more effective than calcium, vitamin D, and even bisphosphonates in many cases, and with fewer long-term risks. So let's reframe the conversation. Hormone therapy isn't just about hot flashes, it's a preventative health strategy for the heart, the bones, the brain, and even cancer prevention. If you're in your 40s, 50s, or even over 65, it's worth having the conversation with your medical doctor, because the best time to protect your future health is now. If you found this information informative, like, subscribe, and share with a woman you know could benefit.